Lapanlong ya academic exposure training and visit international youth exchange program arhajar arpuar kebasan linter ha North Eastern Hill University Shillong dekat Tripura Adventure Social Expedition Organization. Kumshipan ta jong kani ke program kisamlan na jong baro artli kiri kata kari India bat kari Bangladesh kelawan benishim benta ha kani ke program. Ulam phang jong kaying dorbar thau an ke jela iba med ba lingdo ibla pli perdaya kani ke program ila ong Pekung kini gijat program, kilong kibedon kambaha kani kapor, namar kiharap, ya ubriu ban he, ban san shimet, bat kumjo, ban peniadai, bat kiway.
If I'm not mistaken, and Ghana, though they are small in numbers, such kind of exchange programs is the need of the hour. For the youth, a special focus has to be there. For the youth, and this kind of exchange programs will help an individual to grow, and in return, it is his duty bound to share with his friends in his own country, in his own state, in his own community, to ensure that what he has learned, the best from that exchange program.
Mentapat ngene pe ke junglong